turn. Come here, come here. Ready? Let's turn you a little bit. There we go. Okay, look. This is your last present. You want some help? Oh.
Good job, Brian. Some assembly required.
All right. Ready, Miles? Ready to open this?
She wanted to go take a picture.
You got this toy, and you got your poop freeze. Yeah? So let's open this one so you can grab my grandpa. Okay? Miles, look what you got.
Buddy.
Look! What'd you get? Yay! You want one? You want one? Oh, this is so exciting.
He's like, yeah? I'm about to bite it soon.
There you go.
Give me all the treats I can get. Are you crazy? I don't have a diet anymore.
How about that, huh? A good Christmas for you, Miles? Yeah? Poop freeze is a big hit.
Poop freeze. Poop happens. Just freeze it. That was funny.
Exactly what it said.
Poop happens. Just
Is that
freeze
good?
it.
You
I
happy?
don't really get that.
I like this watch.
Why do you need to freeze it?
Piper, thank you so
You
much
happy?
for my watch.
I guess
I
I
like
get
it
it
so
if it's
much.
really runny, you know?